to be sewing on a sandal now, and I need to move these arms in to get into that strap, so I'm just going to loosen these screws. You can do this while it's on the machine. I'm going to slide these in. You can feel the notches. You can also see where it's going to be. I'm going to open up the clamp, so that was probably right in your way, sorry about that. And then slide this in. I'm going to line it up, move one clamp down with my finger, and then just come back down to the other side. Make sure that I'm lined up. And again, I'm doing this with one finger just so that I can see what I'm doing and hold on to the shoe at the same time. I think I'm pretty ready to go. So let's see if I'm where I think I am. I'm going to put the laser on. I'm going to move up just a touch. There we go. And then I'm going to trace to make sure. That looks pretty good to me. Now that it's finished, I'm going to reach in, open up those clamps, slide out my finished product.